Can a machine really do my job? Can lines of code and algorithms truly replicate the expertise I've cultivated over years? In the ever-evolving world of SEO, that question is more relevant and, frankly, more pressing than ever before. The rise of AI has sparked both excitement and a healthy dose of apprehension within the industry. So, I decided to put it to the test. Me, with 17 years of SEO experience, countless successful campaigns, and a deep understanding of the search landscape versus a custom-trained ChatGPT, a formidable opponent in the realm of artificial intelligence. The AI was meticulously loaded with the full Ahrefs beginner course, essentially cramming years of SEO knowledge into its digital brain, ready to challenge and ultimately judge me. The rules were simple. The AI would quiz me, meticulously score my answers based on predefined criteria, and ultimately determine if human intuition and experience could beat cold, hard machine logic. On one side, my 17 years of audits, successful campaigns, and hard-won lessons learned from navigating the ever-changing algorithms of search engines. On the other, an AI with perfect recall of every SEO concept and instant data access, a digital powerhouse ready to process information at lightning speed. The questions would cover everything from SEO basics, the foundational principles, to complex real-world scenarios that demand critical thinking and creative problem-solving. This wasn't just a simple trivia game. It was a battle of strategy, nuanced understanding, and the ability to adapt to the unpredictable nature of search engine algorithms. The real question, are SEOs destined to become AI supervisors, merely overseeing the work of algorithms? Or do we still possess irreplaceable value, a unique blend of creativity, intuition, and strategic thinking that AI simply cannot replicate? As the quiz began, I was ready to defend the human touch, the irreplaceable element of creativity and critical thinking in an increasingly automated world. The first question, the opening salvo in this battle of wits, was about to be served. Let the games begin. The lesson: you can have perfect tech and backlinks, but if you miss the user's intent, you lose. The AI recognized this. User focus is non-negotiable. The easy part was over. Next up, the real test: strategy and complexity.
What does SEO stand for, and what is its primary purpose? I answered. Search engine optimization. Boosting a site's visibility in search results to drive organic traffic. 10 out of 10. Why is matching search intent crucial for ranking high on Google? I explained, search intent is the why behind a query. If your page doesn't satisfy that, it won't rank. Example, best headphones needs a comparison, not a single product page. 10 out of 10.
Round 1, the basics. The pattern was emerging. I brought the overarching strategy, the human element, while the AI brought the ultimate, granular checklist. It was a powerful combination.
Strong. Vary anchor text, naturally blending them within the content. Monitor crawl depth, ensuring all pages are easily accessible to search engines. And audit link flow for authority, making sure the most important pages receive the most link equity.
Then internal linking for massive sites. This is crucial for guiding both users and search engines. I suggested content hubs, pillar pages linking to specifics, creating a logical structure that enhances user experience and SEO.
How do you handle keywords with mixed search intent? It's a common challenge.
I said, analyze the SERPs, carefully examine the top-ranking results to discern the dominant intent, and create supporting content for secondary intents, addressing all potential user needs.
Good. Also, use content gap analysis to identify topics your competitors are covering that you aren't, and monitor SERP features to cover all angles, optimizing for featured snippets, knowledge panels, and more.
The AI's structured knowledge filled my gap, providing a level of detail I couldn't have achieved alone.
Name 4 key factors for evaluating a keyword. This is fundamental.
I listed search intent, keyword difficulty, and business value, but missed traffic potential, a critical oversight.
Traffic potential is the total traffic you could get if you rank #1, a ceiling for your efforts, not just search volume, which only represents existing demand.
Now the real challenge, keyword strategy. This is where everything comes together. Sometimes there's no single right answer, just experience and debate.
Agree, but also focus on EEAT, improve expertise, authoritativeness, and trust.
I countered. True, EEAT is built over time, not by quick fixes. The AI's methodical approach shined here. Then, a Google Core update hits traffic slashed in half. My advice? Don't panic. Wait. Analyze winners and losers, review content against Google's guidelines.
Good, but segment the drop branded versus non-branded mobile versus desktop crawl issues? Break it down to find the root cause.
Next, the nightmare scenario, sudden traffic drop, but no obvious cause. I'd analyze which keywords and pages lost rankings, then check what competitors are doing differently. So, what's the ultimate takeaway here? AI can generate ideas, even seemingly brilliant ones, but only humans can truly connect with real users, understand their needs, and craft persuasive outreach that resonates on a personal level. It's about building bridges, not just blasting messages. The human element is still the secret sauce, the ingredient that transforms a good campaign into a great one. While AI can scale content creation and distribution, reaching a wider audience faster, it simply can't replicate genuine empathy, that spark of creativity, or the nuanced understanding that comes from human interaction. In content and outreach, where authenticity and connection are paramount, strategy, thoughtful planning, and genuine relationship building still win the day. The future isn't about one or the other, it's hybrid. It's about leveraging the strengths of both AI and human intelligence.
So, how would you approach building a content roadmap for a brand new SaaS tool, knowing what we know? I'd always start with the customer, talk directly to users, understand their workflows, their challenges, and their aspirations. I'd mine relevant forums and online communities for recurring pain points and unmet needs. Only then would I use AI and other tools for in-depth keyword research and strategic content planning. No critique. A user-first, tool-assisted approach is undoubtedly the best path forward.
And the result of this approach? High-quality backlinks from authoritative sources and a coveted #1 ranking in search results. Concrete proof that genuine human outreach, when done right, truly works.
Let's say you're a small brand armed with some compelling new data. How do you earn those valuable backlinks? I'd start by identifying sites that are currently linking to outdated statistics or research on the topic. Then, I'd craft a personalized pitch to those sites, offering them our updated data as a more accurate and relevant resource. Offering real value to their readers, not just blindly asking for a link in return. For example, we successfully replaced a widely cited but now outdated statistic with our new, comprehensive research. And those sites were genuinely happy to update their content and link to our more current and accurate findings.
And now for the final round, the ultimate showdown, content and outreach. The real lesson? AI isn't here to replace SEOs. It's our most powerful tool. The AI excelled at data, analysis, and technical details, but it couldn't match human strategy, creativity, or empathy. The future of SEO is hybrid, humans and AI working together. Use AI for data and ideas. Save your energy for strategy and relationships. For newcomers, master the basics, then embrace AI as your co-pilot. But remember, real learning comes from applying knowledge and adapting. The winning formula, foundational human skill powered by AI. That's how you win in SEO's ever-evolving world.
Final score, 9.5 out of 10. Elite performance rooted in modern SEO principles.
After a grueling challenge, it was time for the verdict.